Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel, Fluidity Life. Happy 4th. It's 4th of July. So this afternoon we're gonna make another salad. And it's called red, white, and blue salad. And the ingredients are watermelon, blueberries for blue, watermelon for red, and jicama for white. And the dressing is the same dressing that I used for my previous salad, the summer green salad, and I have some left over, so that's what I'm gonna use. And the blueberries. See? Red, white, and blue. And my dressing. And that's done, guys. Refreshing, crunchy from the jicama, and sweet from there. Hi guys, this is our 4th of July dinner. That should complement with the and jicama. The Philippines singkamas. Crunchy, sweet, and blueberry is sweet too.
Turned out nice.
There it is.
We're starting out early on the 4th of July out there, it looks like. That's a kind of parking spot in a minute. Let me see your salad here. A bit of everything.
Use a spoon.
There you go, we got a little bit of everything. Right, the bread. That's a good salad. Oh, the blueberries are that's right too. The jicama is really good too. Nice texture.
I need rice though.
Anybody got to try this one? A good salad.
See you guys.
See you
Happy
guys.
4th.
Happy 4th of July. We'll see, gonna get some 4th of July, some fireworks a little bit later, so I'm gonna finish up eating, and we'll see ya.